must pass. Not even the Dragon Balls last forever.
DBZ will return in a moment.
Call her Little Washoe.
DBZ now continues.
I'm trying, Piccolo. Go to school. That guy is gonna pay dearly for this. He's dead. He's on for time.
DBZ now continues.
I'm trying, Piccolo. Go to school. That guy is gonna pay dearly for this. He's dead. He's on for time.
DBZ now continues.
Oh, no. No. Piccolo!
Finally, Goku's Spirit Ball has done its job. Or has it? Has Frieza been totally destroyed? And did the explosion take out Piccolo and Goku? Find out who survived in the next exciting episode of Dragon Ball Z.
Hey, this is Goku. Join me in the next exciting episode of Dragon Ball Z. I'm not going to tell you what happens, but let's just say you'll meet some strange characters in our next show, plus our regular crew of crazy outcasts. Oh, and you're probably wondering what happened to Frieza. Well, if I told you, it just wouldn't be any fun to watch now, would it? So join me for the next exciting episode of Dragon Ball Z!
You are watching Dragon Ball Z.
Has Frieza pushed Goku's rage to new heights? And can Goku avenge the life of his close friend Krillin? The only way to find out is to stay tuned to the next exciting episode of Dragon Ball Z.
Hey, this is Goku. In the next episode of Dragon Ball Z, I'll have Frieza down on his knees begging for mercy. But let's just hope there's time for Gohan to get Piccolo off the planet before Frieza finds out. So join me as I get my ultimate revenge against that alien freak of nature in the next exciting episode of Dragon Ball Z!
What's that?
They're morons, and the audience loved them for it.
Look, I'm stroking my wiener.
Either of you boys on any kind of medication?
Yeah, I think that was pretty cool, if I recall.
Whether you thought it was cool or thought it sucked, Beavis and Butt-Head took MTV by storm, became American icons, and even went on to star in their own feature film. But you might not remember that they got their start on MTV's animated series, Liquid Television. That's where viewers first saw just how thick and twisted these two dumbasses could be. Frog baseball! Get him!
Strike one!
I just remember hearing a kid say, "You ever played frog baseball?" I did the storyboard for Frog Baseball. Got the whole idea for the names and everything, like in about an hour or so.
We saw potential, and creator Mike Judge got to spend more quality time with his dim-witted duo when they signed on for their own MTV series.
It's gonna be on TV.
And incredibly, there turned out to be an idiotic but undeniable sort of Zen logic to their lowbrow music video critiques.
Here we go again with another crappy suck video. This sucks.
As ridiculous as it seems, like that's how everybody thinks. Like everyone always tries to over-intellectualize music, but then it basically comes down to like it's cool or it sucks.
You may have scared somebody with that face 20 years ago. Well, now you just look like some old fart.
First time I saw Beavis and Butt-Head, I thought it signaled a renaissance in American culture. I was really happy that there was finally something for me to watch on TV.
This sucks. Let's watch something cool.
Yes.
I find myself sometimes being Mr. Couch Potato, and late night I'll tune these guys in, and I'll have a laugh.
That was cool.
All right, that was number Beavis and Butt-Head.